Yeah, man! Welcome to the Frickcast. Today, we're ranking every Dr. Squatch hair kit. The hair kits were one of the first product expansions offered by Squatch, a perfect counterpart to the bricks. And since then, they have released many new flavors. But of course, not all are equal. So in this video, we'll be ranking all 8 Dr. Squatch hair kits, the shampoos and conditioners, worst to best. Let's kick things off at 8 with the Summer Citrus. I'm not the biggest fan of the Summer Citrus flavor, but even though it's last on our list today, I don't think it's a bad kit. I don't think any of the hair kits are bad. They mostly just come down to personal preference and which scents you like better. This boy is a clean lemon scent. It's refreshing, a good scent if you like citrus. Still though, it's one of my least favorites in the lineup. Ingredient wise, it's rocking with the same base ingredients as many of the others, but a lot of them are like that. Overall, solid, but despite being a summer boy, it's easily outshined. At 7, let's go with the Pine Tar. Again, I'm just not the biggest fan of the Pine Tar flavor. You have several unique ingredients here, including orange peel oil, charcoal, and pine oil, but most notably, pine tar, which does give the kit a deeper clean than most. I find it to be a little harsh compared to the others, and the other noteworthy quality is that the shampoo and conditioner are black rather than clear and white. That can make it a bit more messy, but I don't think it's a deal breaker or anything. The scent is a nifty one. We're talking the pine tar scent, a fresh, clean, manly pine smell. Overall, it is a solid kit, especially if you like the pine tar flavor. I'm just higher on some others. At 6 is the Fresh Falls, another classic Squatch flavor, and perhaps the best scent on this list. That of course being the trademark Fresh Falls scent, that fresh, manly, waterfall smell that's always nifty in any form. Here, it is nifty as well, but the Fresh Falls hair kit does not contain any unique ingredients, so it's pretty standard feeling when compared to the others. It's still a great kit, and if the scent is really all you care about, this may be the one for you. At 5 is the Cool Fresh Aloe, another great flavor in any form. The Aloe Boy is just a nice kit with a subtle scent. You got that rainy spring morning smell, sweet and earthy. It is a little less intense than some others, so that may be your thing. Ingredient-wise, the only unique thing here is that the shampoo contains aloe vera. Usually it's only the conditioner that does. That makes it feel a bit more nourishing and moisturizing, good if your hair or scalp are dry. It's a really solid kit. At 4 is the Freedom Fresh, one of 2 limited editions today. This is of course the 4th of July boy. Bottle-wise, it's the coolest looking one on this list, but it's what's inside the bottle that matters, and I don't think it's quite in the top tier of the kits. The scent is more like the Freedom Fresh Dio than the brick, and that's a good thing. It's a breezy, beach, boardwalk, cologne type of scent, and there is a little hint of citrus there as well. It is a nice scent, more subtle than some others. Ingredient-wise here there is nothing unique, but that doesn't stop this patriotic boy from being quite nifty. At 3 is the Coconut Castaway, the last of the classic Squatch flavors, and I think this is the best one of them, easily. As for unique ingredients, the coconut kit is just like the aloe kit, meaning that it contains aloe vera in the shampoo, in addition to the conditioner. Coconut is also already a base ingredient in all of the kits, if you were wondering. Scent-wise though, we're talking that nice pina colada scent, drunken coconut on a chill beach. Now despite not seeming all that unique when compared to others, I do find this one to feel deeper cleaning and more hydrating than most of its counterparts. It's definitely going to become a go-to for me. At 2 is the OG kit, the Cypress Coast and Cool Citrus. A super underrated kit. Veterans may recognize this boy as the original hair kit. For a long time it was the only one you could get, and it held down the fort effortlessly. Ingredient-wise, this duo blows everyone out of the water. It is absolutely slammed with unique ingredients, including tea tree, bergamot, tangerine peel, cypress, sweet orange peel, clary sage, patchouli, peppermint, and hemp seed oils. All those help to stimulate hair growth, help moisturize, and add volume. It's easily the best cleaning of all of the kits. Scent-wise though, it isn't the best. Definitely not bad though. It's mostly a citrus scent with some tropical notes. It's clean and refreshing, but not one of my favorite scents. Still though, that's hardly holding this stacked boy back. I really hope this kit doesn't end up getting discontinued, but seeing as how Squatch is redesigning everything to include the classic Squatch flavors, it really would not surprise me as the OG kit does kind of stand out. They may want the summer citrus to take up the mantle of being the citrus hair kit, but that sunny boy just has nothing on the OG. And at 1 is the Frosty Peppermint. I love the Pep Kit. Of course, this is the Christmas boy and the first limited edition kit. I find the hair kit better than the brick counterpart, as it is very strong. The scent is of course that chill, frosty peppermint scent, with strong notes of peppermint like a candy cane, sweet and minty. Ingredient-wise, we have peppermint oil and increased levels of menthol. This adds a cooling sensation to your scalp, making it more stimulating and cooling. It's very nifty, and is the best feeling kit in the lineup, as well as one of the best smelling, making it, in my opinion, the best overall Squatch hair kit. And there you have it, mains. All 8 Dr. Squatch hair kits ranked. If you want a more in-depth review of the Squatch hair kits, including a breakdown of the ingredients, check out my hair kit guide if you have not already. I also have individual quick guides for all the expanded flavors. Let me know how you would rank these, and as always, Frick Nation, stay nifty.
Yeah, man!